Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's YouTube channel. This is the Realme GT Master Edition unboxing and overview in this video. And first of all, wish you happy Diwali to all my subscribers and everyone who are watching this video. And let's begin this video. This is the regular Flipkart package, and it was already unboxed by delivery agent because I opted for open box delivery, the new method in Flipkart going it on. And this is the package, and some of the specs are written here. That's the Realme GT Master Snapdragon 778 5G, and you can read it out. And here it shows explore the aesthetics of technology, and here are some of the paperwork. And here comes the smartphone itself, and let's keep it aside and see what all the other things. Yeah, you will get the gray color case. I ordered Viagra gray color, and here comes the Super Dot massive 65 watt fast charger. Let me show you the rating. As you can see, 10 volt 6.5 amperes, that means 65 watts maximum output it can give. And this is the main type C cable. You need to use this cable and charger, the adapter, to get the maximum output. And this is the type C cable, and I will keep these things aside, and let's look the smartphone itself. And it wrapped up here in the cover. Let me wrap it out. It's a Viagra gray color. This is the only color I liked in this smartphone, that's why I ordered it. As you can see, this is what it looks. It looks like suitcase, the olden days suitcase design. And here is the power button in the right side of the smartphone. On top end you will get secondary noise mic cancellation, and here you get volume up and down, and also the SIM ejector pin. In the downside you get 3.5mm jack and main microphone type C cable and the speaker grill. And here comes the 32 megapixel front facing camera, and screen guard is pre-applied. Let me power it on and check out. It gave me haptic feedback, and it shows Realme and powered by Android. It has that 6.43 inch Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate smartphone, the display. And this is the camera layout. You get 64:8+2, and I'll set it up. And as you can see, I have set it up, and lots of bloatware is pre-installed like Amazon, Booking.com, LinkedIn, Josh, Netflix. So many bloatware is pre-installed in this smartphone, and some of them are uninstallable. As you can see, the Netflix is uninstallable app, but some of them can be uninstalled. As you can see, I will uninstall this Josh. It's got uninstalled, but some of the apps are not installable. That's the one thing I don't like it, but anyhow, most of the apps you can uninstall. And this is the quick settings panel and some of the updates going on. And coming into the about the phone, here you see Realme GT Master Edition, 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage memory. I opted for, in that 109GB is available, and it's with latest software with version 2.0 Realme and Android 11. I got this update. And this is a quick settings panel. The brightness of the panel and the display quality is looking good. Initial impressions, and it's smooth. Let me see in the settings, the display set to what refresh rate. Let's see into the display settings. Okay, there are few options given to calibrate the display, and The screen refresh rate, okay, it's set to auto select. You can use high if you want completely in 120 Hz refresh rate. And here you get light and dark theme, and screen color mode you get vivid center and some other options. And coming to camera application, let me give the permissions. There are some of the options again, but we have to check the resolution. Okay, photo mode, portrait mode, some of the modes like starry mode, dual view mode, slow motion, film, expert, time lapse, panorama, text scanner, and ultra mode. And this is the camera layout. And let's see in the video where we can record. Resolution I need to check. It's typical UI for Oppo, Realme and OnePlus smartphones nowadays. Okay, here there is arrow mark. Let's enable that. Okay, you will get up to 4K 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30 and 60 fps you can record using this smartphone, but front facing is just 1080p 30 fps only. It's 32 megapixel. And initial impressions, it's very light, and the design of this smartphone is also looking good, and this Voyager gray stand out. And pretty much that's it guys in this video, and it's really good smartphone, value for money smartphone from Realme, the GT Master. It's currently still on offers. You can grab it out in the offers. I will give the links in the description to purchase this smartphone. There are still offers going on this smartphone. And that's all guys in this video. If you like the video, give it a like, and thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in the another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.